If you're interested in doing the instrument cluster mod, well, not a whole lot to it. We'll stick the keys in and get our steering wheel as far away as we can. Move it down and out, and we'll just take our hands on one side, get a grip, pull that side out, and do the same thing on the other side. So in Robert's car's case, it took more effort, probably just because this hasn't been out before, but instead of going from right here, I had to pry downward. So the 4 clips are like here, over there, and over here, which you can see on the back of here, there, and the 2 sides. So you focus on just trying to pry down right here and get this one out enough that it'll pop. And do the same thing with this one. Then I got this side out. And now the last one is to get this one. And there's the last one. On the other side. Pull that side out. And then there's a clip, oops, on this side over here. Pushing with our finger is just like this. Bezel gets out of the way. There. And there's another one here. Got one hiding down there and one this spot. So we'll get those 4 out. And the worst part about this is not dropping it. So you're gonna have to stick your fingers in there and make sure you can catch it. And it's just little wood screw looking things like this to hold the plastic in. So after you got all 4 out, just pull it down and pull it out, and you'll notice the car's still on. And if you're getting the donor cluster, I want you to take a note, put it somewhere in here that I can still see your odometer. You want to put your name, the date, signature, and your order number, and that way you can prove what your original odometer was, so that I'm not trying to help somebody commit fraud by making their odometer read less than it should. I'm trying to be a benefit to the SC430 community, not a hindrance. So there's a little clip back here. Push that down, pull out, and that's it. And then you can just reverse the process to put the other one back in. You can even plug the replacement back in at the same time as this car is still on. It'll ding a couple times, and that's it. And then it'll just go back to normal, and now it works. That's all there is to it. You just put it back, put your 4 screws in, put your clip on the bezel, push the bezel in, you're done. So the one I send to you guys might be a little rough looking, and so don't worry about that. There's plastic clips for this front face, and so you just start with the top one and do the one next to it. See how it popped out, and then we'll do like one over here, and then there's one over here. Especially on my donor, it's probably some broken ones. Do a couple more over here. I just keep working all the way around the edge until we get them all out. After you get it all out, you want to make dang sure you do not touch anywhere in this thing, because this has got to go to somebody else too. So especially these faces are very sensitive to fingerprints, so don't touch them. Don't touch in here. Careful not to get debris in there. Don't break the needles. Especially don't break those little plastic stoppers holding the needles on the tack and the speedo.
Calvin, would you suggest rubber gloves, perhaps, or sterile gloves or something?
That is a prudent suggestion that would help. That's how I use latex gloves when I do these instrument cluster modifications. So you can just take the one off of yours that's good and stick it on your donor cluster that I give you, and now it's going to look good as new. Oops. And that's an example of what not to do. Because you'll notice the tab right there was not on the inside. So we'll make sure they all are. And we push it on. Now you can stick it back in. And then you're going to have a nice bright cluster like you should. And with the key in the auto on position, then the dimmer should work correctly. So when it's when the headlights aren't on, then it's going to be max brightness, which is day. And then when you're auto on and the headlights are on, then the dimmer will work, and you can scale it back a little bit if it's too bright.
I've auto shut off.